Israel's Rafael Advanced Defense Systems has emerged as the chosen contractor for Romania's major short-range air defense initiative, after a rigorous selection led by the Romanian Ministry of National Defense. The decision, made official through the state defense firm CN Romtenica SA, signals the close of the competitive bid process with no legal objections raised, opening the door for an imminent long-term contract. This high-value agreement, estimated at around €1.9 billion, roughly $2.2 billion before tax, marks Romania's most substantial air defense purchase to date. It is a cornerstone effort to strengthen its aerial defense grid and enhance NATO's protective posture along the alliance's eastern borders. The new systems are expected to counter a wide spectrum of airborne threats, including drones, helicopters, cruise missiles, and low-flying aircraft, capabilities that have become increasingly critical in the context of ongoing regional instability. Romanian officials noted that this short and very short-range air defense (SHORAD) procurement complements other initiatives already underway, such as the acquisition of man-portable air defense systems (MANPADS) and longer-range SAM platforms. This integrated approach is aimed at building a multi-layered defense network aligned with NATO standards and capable of flexible deployment across Romanian military zones. The plan received parliamentary approval in 2020, with the actual acquisition process launching in 2023. The upcoming contract is expected to be formalized through a binding framework agreement within weeks. Romanian defense authorities also intend to partially finance the program through European Union mechanisms, including the ASAP and IDERPA initiatives, which are designed to boost defense production and cooperative procurement across the bloc. These efforts will also support local industry participation and supply chain integration. Although the ministry has not revealed the specific system Romania will receive, industry observers believe Rafael's SPYDER system is the most likely candidate. This advanced mobile air defense platform integrates multiple subsystems, including radar, electro-optics, a command and control unit, and Python 5 and Derby interceptors, into a single vehicle. Its ability to engage a diverse array of threats while maintaining rapid deployment capability has made it a popular choice among several NATO members and allied nations. The SPYDER system's proven adaptability in countries like Morocco and the Czech Republic is expected to serve Romania well in both urban and rugged environments. With its dual short and medium-range coverage, SPYDER would effectively bridge the gap between Romania's existing and future air defense layers, including the Patriot system and any upcoming long-range acquisitions. This procurement is not just about equipment, it reflects a strategic shift. Israel's expanding defense partnerships in Europe are gradually altering the continent's military supply dynamics, which have historically relied heavily on US or intra-EU manufacturers. Rafael's selection reinforces this trend, while also strengthening NATO's broader integrated air and missile defense architecture along its most exposed frontier. As Romania moves to solidify its defensive capabilities amid growing security threats in Eastern Europe, this landmark deal with Rafael is a key step in building a more resilient, technologically advanced, and interoperable defense system, both for national security and collective NATO deterrence.